Ezomo, please, I want to reach. All my fellow mates, they are rich, please.
Want to do what?
I want to reach.
Want to be rich?
Yes.
You want me to make you rich?
Yes.
You guys have here your sons. The gods, you have here your sons. You say that you want to be rich. That all is made is rich. And you want to be rich. Yes. I'm hearing. Yes! The gods agree to make you rich.
Thank you, Ezomo. Thank you.
You will be very rich. That your mate will not see your back.
Thank you, Ezomo.
But you have to do something.
What is that?
Very simple. You have to bring a small girl clothes. Make sure it's a small girl. Bring her clothes. When you bring it, I will make you rich. And you shall become rich. Your mates will be dreaming to be rich like you.
Lay down.
Just like that. Go! Go! Go, my son! I will make you rich.
Ezomo, I've been close.